Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make another custom rubber stamp for the 5212 from Trodat. My shop is still very much a mess, so I'm organizing things. That's why the background sort of changed and everything's changing around the shop. Anyways, it doesn't stop me from making custom rubber stamps for customers. And the nice thing about the 5212 is it's the largest self-inking stamp in the world you could get. Of course, we can make even larger stamps than we have in the past. They just won't be self-inking. So in that case, they're generally going to tell customers, just go on Amazon, look for a pad that's the size that you need it to be for the project we're going to do for you, and then you're all set. Now the nice thing about having a self-inking stamp is it's very efficient. You just go down, 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 down. Something you have to keep in mind though is that, well, here's the result from the stamp I made. You have to keep in mind is when we first make the stamp, you won't get total perfect even distribution of the ink. Now it's pretty good, but it's not the best because it just takes a little bit of time for the ink pad to go from totally flush to sort of indent a little bit where the markings are. So if you notice with a stamp, there's some raised areas. Of course, that's how it works. But the ink pad underneath is still flat. So therefore, you don't get even distribution of the ink. After a little bit of time, it sort of settles into it and produces really, really nice, even stamps. So when it comes to making custom rubber stamps, either self-inking or otherwise, we can make them out of any size, any shape, and literally any material. We do a lot of actually wooden stamps, and they come out just as great. They're definitely more rustic looking because you have the grain of the wood and a whole bunch of other things to contend with. But we have the flexibility using this machine here and other machines here in the shop to literally make them any way you want. So if you're looking for custom rubber stamps or wood stamps or even metal stamps, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make them for you and ship them right to your door.